Let's make street-style, healthy Maggi masala. In a pan, add oil, 2 green chili, 2 tablespoons cashew pieces. Sauté for some seconds. Then add 1 chopped onion. Sauté till onions look translucent. Now add 1 cup tomato, a 1/4 cup fresh or frozen corn. Here you can add variety of veggies like green peas, cauliflower pieces, etc. Add the Maggi masala packets from the pack, depending on how many Maggi blocks you are making. Mix it thoroughly. Add water according to the number of Maggi blocks used. I have used 3 blocks, so I am adding 3 cups water. Once the mixture starts boiling, add the Maggi blocks one by one, breaking it in 2 or 3 pieces. Cover and cook 2 minutes. Remove the cover, mix it once again, then add 1 cheese slice, tearing into smaller pieces. Cover again and cook for a minute till cheese slice melts. And our delicious and healthy Maggi masala is ready. You can keep little water for soupy consistency. Serve hot as it is and enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe to Amrit's recipe. Thank you.